When your life flashes before you...
Hi, let's start our meeting, young losers. Yes, that is correct. You are losers. Those who is 14th and those who is married not the first time. You all losers. You are losers, for example, because think that all men are idiots. You still played frightening students, staring into the object eyes and telling him, "Oh, you're so smart, darling, and I am so stupid. Please help me to become smarter." And your heart smile look like your person become a statue in your eyes. Well, perhaps you like it, but I don't. Playing the passion like Marilyn Monroe I like much more. Here's the passion in the eyes, low neck dress and red lips with perfectly white teeth. Here I have legs, which move like a propeller, perfect ass in your face, when you should start stretching off the clip with accidentally falling down on the floor. Well, you know how to do it. Cool and mysterious witches in the general plot, most of all of them in due time go. All thought they were behind the mysterious screen that is sometimes original, mysterious. Not the design has appeared same, even grown worse than Marilyn Monroe. Heard with the impressive full sediment, it turned to drag when the race nearer to itself, to shade his return to the nearer beauty, than even Joe can ask. First, adhering to equality and fuck you, and then fuck all you read or read not necessary. Impressment in cafe or result paid only for itself, then words especially were indignant. But is it thus equality in the country for which you so struggle? I'm for you. Impress in a rule started to swear for some reason. It's frequently far and literally. Young ladies touch a person is a nightmare. Well, present as a rule, always one easily dull Barbie. By the way, one wizard that close up and then rain and wind and snow for their house, do not leave. Has called me a fool when I have asked, and why? That it is I don't understand that at this time that hairdress can be spoiled. Its ideal clothes are wetted and befouled, and it's fuck if only to put on their condoms and to fill with its cement for a dancing for variability, and then all the same shoots that is a pregnant and that I own in a heap of the money. And inside dead people which in a business test nothing. Why dead people? It's very simple. It's all the same. I all over again things. About that, all of you identically as categories, and have then understood that inside the cemetery, if all was on the contrary, your behavior would be a Michelus and how cloned. Here, and you really still apply all these old receptions. I shall be surprised if a man still peck it.